Hey everyone, welcome back to Keto Challenge Easy, your go-to spot for all things keto. Today we're making a super easy, delicious, and totally keto-friendly meal, cabbage stir-fry with ground beef. This is the perfect dish if you're craving something quick, healthy, and packed with flavor. It's low in carbs, high in protein, and I promise it's going to be your new favorite go-to recipe. So grab your apron. Let's get cooking. Here are the ingredients you'll need. 1 pound of ground beef or ground turkey for a lighter option, 1 small cabbage sliced into strips, 1 medium onion chopped, 2 cloves of garlic minced, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, soy sauce or coconut aminos for a paleo option, 1 teaspoon of ginger powder for a little kick, salt and pepper to taste, and optionally, chili flakes for those who like it spicy. Let's get started with the cooking instructions. First, heat up the pan over medium-high heat and add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Once it's hot, add your ground beef, break it up with a spatula, and cook until it's golden brown and crispy. Add in the chopped onion and minced garlic, sauté for 2 to 3 minutes until fragrant. Toss in the cabbage strips, stir well, and let them cook until slightly soft but still crunchy. Add soy sauce or coconut aminos, ginger powder, salt, and pepper to taste. Give everything one final stir. Let it cook for about 5 minutes and it's done. And there you have it, folks. A super easy, keto-friendly meal that's perfect for any time of the day. I bet you'll be making this again and again because it's just that good. If you love this recipe, don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and click on the link in the description to grab some awesome keto products that will make your journey even easier. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe to Keto Challenge Easy for more delicious recipes like this one. If you have any questions or just want to chat, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and remember, stay keto, stay happy.